Hello everyone, this question appears in class 6 NCERT chapter of playing with numbers. This is fourth question of its exercise 3.2. So the question says that write down separately the prime and composite numbers less than 20. So first prime number and composite number. So prime number होते हैं हमारे which has factors 1 and itself, and composite number which has factors more than 1 and itself. So prime number हो जाएंगे हमारा 2 up to 20 less than 20, 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17 and 19. So these all numbers have factors 1 and itself, and composite number less than 20 is 4, 6, 8, 9, 10, 12, 14, 15, 16 and 18. Less than 20. That's our final answer. Thank you.